Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to set or change A4 paper size or change to any paper size in printer settings in Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video and it's work on the all apps and software in Windows 7 PC or laptop. So let's go. Go to the file first. Here we find print or Control P on your keyboard. Press Control P on your keyboard. In print, select your printer, your printer. Now go to the select your printer and go to the preferences, click on the preferences. In preferences, go to the paper and quality, click on the paper and quality. Here we find size of our paper, click at here, it is in letter. Now click at here and change the size that you want, A4, A5 on your printer. Available on your printer, size available on your printer. In this case, I'm going to the A4, A5 or any other size. I'm going to the A4. Click on OK. Now click on apply and click on print, and this print goes to your printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simplest problem in Windows 7 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.